Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Libra, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang energy update for you ngayong September 16 to 30, 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see, Libra. What's up with you? September 16 to 30, 2023. You have Pluto, rebirth. Wow. Merong transformation. Pagbabago. Can be an ending and new beginning for you. It's like a reinvention of yourself. 27, this is number 9 in numerology, and number 9 is also about culmination. So, pagtatapos. Okay. Ano pa? You have Sagittarius, expansion. Maaring number 9 is very important sa inyo, or September 27. Libra season na ba yun? Oo. September 27. And then, Hearth, Vesta. So, I think you're going to focus on your passion. What you are passionate about. Ano tong rebirth? Saang area of your life? Tong pagbabago na to. Second house, which is your finances, your money, your resources. So, maaring iba sa inyo, pwedeng may bagong opportunity to earn money, pwedeng bagong sideline, bagong side gig, pagkakakitaan. You also have the moon in Gemini. So, I think, mas pwedeng magdadagdag kayo ng mga, you will meet new friends during this time. And yung friends connections na yon will help you to develop a new way to earn money. Sabi nga nila, your network is your net worth. Okay, so that's why may expansion dito with the Sagittarius energy. And anything related to your passion, doon ka magfo-focus. So aside from the career na meron ka ngayon, you will also discover more about yourself, more about your talents, more about your skills, your passion, that is very close to your heart, no? Tapos, yun yung magiging way mo to create something that will also be parang daluyan ng income mo. Bagong yung iba sa inyo may bagong property, pwede rin tong pagbabago ng bahay. You might be living abroad or trying to migrate to other countries or other places. Let's see what else. You have the Hermit, so Virgo energy. This is finding answers to your question. So maaring yung change na to, gradual tong mangyayari. Kasi iniisip mo pa kung, is this really your path? Ito ba talaga yung destiny mo? Yes, this is your destiny with a Chariot card. Chariot is about movement, action, a new direction. This is a road to success. You have the Eight of Swords. So maaring iba sa inyo, meron pa rin kayong inhibitions or parang iniisip niyo pa rin, kaya ko ba to? Is this the right thing to do? Kaya lang, it's all in your mind, no? Maaring merong mga tao na nagtatry na i-discourage ka. Oo. But, wala naman sila magagawa eh. Kasi eventually, you will transform. You have the Empress cards. This is also your energy. Libra and Taurus energy to, which is ruler niya si Venus. Venus is about growth, money, art, beauty. So this is also self-care, taking care of yourself, being more abundant. And you have the Three of Cups, which is about the celebration. So I think meron kang ma-achieve, no, na goal mo sa buhay. I think itong transformation na to, hindi mo siya pagsisisihan kasi dun ka mas magiging successful eh. Dun ka mas magiging masaya dito sa bagong tatahakin mo. Can be higher learning or opportunity sa ibang bansa. Or maybe sa outside of your comfort zone. May mga challenges, of course, hindi naman yan mawawala. But I think you can overcome that. Yes, you are someone who can really protect yourself. You are prepared. You are someone who can really fight for your right, fight for your dreams. Okay, kahit na may blockage yan. Spiritual awakening, you are researching, you are becoming more interest, no? May nagiging interesado ka sa isang bagay na babago sa buhay mo. See, you have the eclipse. So this is change, transformation. Wow. Emotional force opening up. So I think, alam nyo, Libra, medyo heavy itong transformation na to. This is not a minor transformation. This is a major transformation that will really change the way you live your life. So it's time to make a choice whether you stay in this situation o pagiging open ka sa changes sa buhay mo. So sa money, career, finances for you, you have impractical. Your dreams are too good to achieve at the moment. You may need to recalibrate to see if it's doable considering your present situation. So, I think ito yung energy ng mga tao na nagtatry na sabihin sa'yo na, hindi mo kaya yan, mahirap gawin yan, mahirap isakatuparan yan. But, you are transforming. Oh my God, change is coming for a brand new you in your career, your finances. You're going to embrace the transformation. Sometimes it is uncomfortable, pero it is worth it. Sulit naman yan. So, yung iba, bagong trabaho, bagong career, or pwedeng bagong pagkakakitaan. You have the 5 of Cups, the Hermit. 2 beses yung Hermit lumabas. So, I think you are doing this. Maaari kasing gagawin mo to all by yourself. Pwedeng mangangailangan ng yung sarili mong lakas ng loob, parang kusang palo, ganon. Kasi syempre, no, kahit na anong sabihin ng iba, kung ayaw mo, wala naman sila magagawa. Or kahit anong sabihin ng iba, kung gusto mo, wala rin sila magagawa. So, it will all depend on you. So, I also see you na, maaring meron kang inhibitions parang may regrets ka about your past na hindi mo ginawa, hindi mo sinubukan sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. And now, hindi mo na palalagpasin yung opportunity na magawa mo talaga yung gusto mo. So, sa relationship, may honesty and clarity. So, maaring if you are in a relationship right now, kung meron kayong kailangan pag-usapan ng person mo, pag-uusapan nyo yan in all honesty para maging malinaw sa inyo kung if you are on the same page, kung pareho kayo ng gusto nyong tahakin sa buhay pagdating sa relationship ninyo. You have the 10 of Wands. Meron ditong mag-open up tungkol sa bigat na dinadala niya sa relationship na to. You have the 6 of Wands. 6 of Swords. Oo. I think, meron kayong aayusin na relationship with someone. Pwedeng romantic relationship, pwedeng friendship. Someone is very close to you. Na pag-uusapan nyo kung ano yung problema. Parang meron kayong ilalabas na sama ng loob. And eventually, you will try to understand each other. And from there, maaring maging maayos yung relationship ninyo. And as long as you are setting proper expectations. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.